Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into how to set up the local agent with Azure Security Vault. Let's get started. So once you go into Recovery Service Vault, the first thing we click on is Backup. And then let's choose the OnPremise. Let's choose File and Folders. And click on the Prefer Infrastructure. The first thing we need to download is the agent and then install the agent. So I have a virtual machine here for our demo purpose. I've downloaded the agent already, so let's double click that. I'll go with the defaults here. Once this install is completed, we will be using the recovery credentials. So the next step is to go back here and gives you the vault credentials. Once you click that, click on download. It will download the credentials for you. I already copied the credentials over here. May go to the proceed to the registration. Choose the vault credentials. You can see that it picked up the recovery vault and the location and all the details. So now I'm going to click on the generate passphrase. So the passphrase is important if you try to recover any files or folders. The recommended way is to save the passphrase in the recovery vault. So just for demo purposes, I'm just going to save it on the local. You can see clearly it gives us a warning. So click on browse and I'm just putting it on the desktop here. Let's do that. So it'll take a minute to register the server with Azure Vault. So you can clearly see the registration has been successfully completed once you click close. So it's going to open the agent, and here is where you will be able to schedule a backup or recover data. That's all for this week. I'll see you again next week with another topic. Thanks again.